Most people don't know how to trade support and resistance properly, and in this video I'll be explaining it. I'll be unleashing the secret behind support and resistance, because I want every one of us to be profitable. Yes, you have to be profitable. And I am the Edge. Let's dive into it. So guys, let's get into it. First of all, if you want to trade the support and resistance properly, you need to know where the market is heading to, because you can't just draw your support and resistance then on a bearish no bearish trend, and you try to like buy on the bearish trend. That is very, very wrong. So the first thing you have to do is go to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you need to draw your rectangle. To you can use key zone, but I prefer rectangles, and extend it to the right and left like this. So this is gonna be the first one here. And the second one is the resistance. This is gonna be the resistance. And mind you, let me explain what support and resistance is. Support is always below. Change this caps. Support is always below, while resistance, while resistance is always above. Resistance always above. This is kind of simple. This is where the support is, and this is where the resistance is. So the next thing you're gonna do is to go to the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame right here. So as you can see, the market has been ranging since I think July. Yeah, July. You can see the date right down there, July 2025. So this has made me some little money since then, because the market will go to the upside and I will make the money, and the market will go below and I will make the money also. So let's go here. This is the thing. Let's assume the market is right here. I'm looking for the horizontal rail, the vertical one. So let's assume the market is right here. Right here. We don't know what is going to happen next. So, and the rule of support and resistance is, whenever you see a bearish or a bullish engulfing, the market will soon retrace. Let me show you. Let me write it out. The market will retrace, and the chart pattern that work most on this support and resistance chart strategy is number one, head and shoulder. Let me reduce HS because I don't want it to be too long. Head and shoulder pattern, and the next one is bullish engulfing. Engulfing. Bullish or bearish engulfing. Let me just or bearish engulfing. And the last one is double bottom. I'm writing it in the wrong place. So double bottom, double B slash double top. So that's the double B and double top bottom. So, and the only time frame I recommend for every one of us is 4 hours time frame, because I love this time frame a lot. If you are a type that over trade or even trade, trust me, this thing is gonna teach you patience. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame here. This is where I draw the line here. As you can see, in this zone right here, the market give us something lit, and the thing is double bottom. the market is in the resistance. You only sell when the market is in the resistance, and you buy when the market is in the support. So this is the double bottom here. Simple. EBC, right? So this is where the double bottom is, and let me bring it out. As you can see, this is where the double bottom is. Let me clear it. After the double bottom, I said something the other time. I said we need bearish or bullish engulfing, and this, since this is a bear market, we are going to sell. So we are going to put our sell here, and where is the SL is going to be? The SL is going to be above the wick of the double bottom. So this is where the wick is. This is about 50 something pips. I think I took this trade last year, and this is where the simple money is. So I go for 1:2 because this 1:2 is very elite. You'll be able to take another trade. So let's go for 1:150. Then the market eats the profit. As you can see, the market eats the profit. Then after the profit, then go in our direction. Another one here. You can see another bearish engulfing right here. This bearish engulfing right here. Let me zoom it so you can see it. So this bearish engulfing, just this one right here, this bearish engulfing, and before the bearish engulfing, we can see something called double bottom. This thing is simple. This is where the double bottom is. The market gave us something like this, then retrace back, then go straight to the downside. So after the double bottom, what do we wait for? Bearish engulfing, and this is the bearish engulfing here. So after seeing the bearish engulfing, we enter, and our stop loss is always above the wick. Don't forget, always above the wick, and only go for anything. Don't go for anything less than 1:2R. Don't go for anything. This is gonna save you. I learned this thing the hard way, and I don't want any one of us to make the same mistake. So this is where the candlestick is, and this is the double. This is where the wick is. So a little bit above the wick. Then 1:2. Make sure your trade is at least 1:2. You can go be 1:10, but at least 1:2. You can see the market go straight to the TP, and you know sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. That is what the market is. That is the game right here. So let's look for another trade right here. So the third example here is this one here. You can see this is head and shoulder pattern. Very, I love this. Whenever I see head and shoulder pattern, even on gold, I'll be dropping strategy on gold very soon. Even on gold, head and shoulder pattern is fire. So this is the head and shoulder pattern. Let me make it in. So this is the head and shoulder pattern. So after the head and shoulder pattern, always wait for a retest on the neck line. So this is where the neck line is at the wick here. So after the market went straight to the top, I always do two things. You know, there's two things here also. After the head and shoulder pattern, on the shoulder we can spot what we call double bottom there. You can see the market down here went up, came a little bit down, then go straight to the top. So let me bring this out. As you can see, this is double bottom pattern right here. Let me delete it. So after the double bottom pattern is either I take my entry right here, and this strategy is very simple and it is interesting. And remember, your SL must be below the wick, and go for at least the minimum of 1:2. Don't forget. So this is it right here. Though losses are part of the game, but at least your wins should be more than your losses. So as you can see, the market with the 1:2. Then go to the upside. And for last week trade right here, this is the last week trade here. I didn't take this trade because of something. The market doesn't, and I don't like when you first trade you lose and everything is, get me. So the market gave head and shoulder pattern. This is the first shoulder, this is the head here, and this is the shoulder. But the market doesn't give me the bearish engulfing immediately after, but market later gave the bearish engulfing right here. Let me zoom it so you can see. So right here, the market gave show me the bearish engulfing. This is it here, but I'm not interested in the trade. The trade is kind of, is not that lit. But let's say the market is showing me in like this type of thing. This is it right there, and don't forget the weak top. Yeah, this is the weak top is, and some people also put it there. I will advise, or it is better to have a large SL. Like, just make sure you are going for 1:2. That is my own. 1:2 can take days to eat if I a swing trader. So this is it right here. 1:2 2.4. Then the market went straight down. So for next week trading, in this video, I think today is 10. No, today is 17. So if you are watching this trade here, the market can come to this zone next week. Two things are going to happen. Either the market give us some rejection, then double bottom, then go straight to the upside, or the market go below. And trust me, once the market go below, the market will surely visit, I think, let's go to the weekly time frame. The market will surely visit this zone here, this week, the week right here. So, and that is about maybe 1,000 pips. But I don't think the market is gonna do this thing. We are in a downtrend though, but let's see what the market is gonna do there. Yeah, and the second example I'll be doing is for the trade I took last week also. Euro GBP, and this is it right here. On the weekly time frame, you can see that the market is very really obvious. So the market is bearish. Let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, this is, let me show this thing out. Show the thing right here. This is a resistance here. One, because you can see the first touch. This is first touch, second touch, third, fourth, and the market came, give us the fifth, and that is it for that. So let's look for the let's look for another support here. This is another one here. Simple trade. Daily, don't forget you are on daily time frame. Since the market is bearish overall, what should we be looking for? We should be looking for sell. So let's say the market is right here. We don't out there, the market is right here. Let me shift this thing to this side. And the market has came to this zone. What should we do? The market has break the resistance, and then the market came back and the support and the resistance and has turned into a support. What should we do? We should look for a buy, and don't forget 1:2, and don't forget all we need to do. Which the first one is bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, and I'll show that all these things double bottom we need to see before taking a trade. So the market has broken the support, and it has, this is it right here. I'm in the 4 hours time frame. So let's say first of all, I can't see a thing called bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing in this zone right here. If you check all these things, the only thing you can see is the last bearish engulfing, and since then the market has been giving a choppy score, and so I'm not interested in this trade, and it's better to keep my money than to lose it. It's better to keep your money by not trading than to lose it because you want to force trade and all. So this one right here, this is gonna be the next week trade here. The market has broken the support, which is this, and the market has retested, which is this, and guess what? The market gave us bearish engulfing, and this is it right here. This is the first bearish engulfing. This is one bearish engulfing, and the very last one, the one I'm interested in, this is it here. I'm still in this trade, though the spread is kind of crazy right now. So let me show you guys here. Don't forget I'm in a 4 hours time frame. So this is it right here. I entered here and I'm going for 1:2. Don't forget your SL should be above here. This is a live trade. And next week I'll be dropping another video and I'll be telling you guys what the market is currently doing. Don't forget to save this in Euro GBP and I'm going for 1:2. And I'll show you why there. 1:2. Even though the market can move more than that. So the market is kind of choppy still in my entry, and let me go to the daily time frame. This is a live trade here in case I want to trade it. So this is it here. This is the first one. This is the second, as you can see. So it is up to 1:2. Let me, so it is up to 1:2. Let's see how it goes. The market is gonna be giving us something right there. So guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I drop this type of content every week, and because I want every one of us to be profitable. This is 2026. Every one of us have to be profitable. We have to make our mama proud. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping educative content, because I want to help us. We must be profitable this year. Do it to do that. Thank you very, very much.